Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English practice video. Today, we will practice 100 English sentences. These sentences will help you speak English naturally and confidently. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's get started. The journey section. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Morocco. I am from Morocco. I am learning English. I am learning English. English is very important. English is very important. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I drink coffee or tea. I drink coffee or tea. I go to work or school. I go to work or school. I like my job. I like my job. I study at home. I study at home. I watch English videos. I watch English videos. I listen to English audio. I listen to English audio. I repeat the sentences. I repeat the sentences. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. I am improving my English. I am improving my English. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please? This is easy. This is easy. This is difficult. This is difficult. I like learning new words. I like learning new words. I write English sentences. I write English sentences. I read simple stories. I read simple stories.
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. I go for a walk in the evening. I go for a walk in the evening. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I read books before sleeping. I read books before sleeping. I write a diary sometimes. I write a diary sometimes. I enjoy learning new things. I enjoy learning new things. I talk to my friends on the phone. I talk to my friends on the phone. I watch English movies. I watch English movies. I practice speaking English every day. I practice speaking English every day. Can you help me with this question? Can you help me with this question? I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I like meeting new people. I like meeting new people. I enjoy traveling to new places. I enjoy traveling to new places. I need to clean my room. I need to clean my room. I have a small problem. I have a small problem. I try to solve problems calmly. I try to solve problems calmly. I am learning English with videos. I am learning English with videos. I read English news online. I read English news online. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I want to speak English confidently. I want to speak English confidently. I enjoy learning with friends. I enjoy learning with friends. I always try my best. I always try my best. I sometimes make mistakes. I sometimes make mistakes. Mistakes help me improve. Mistakes help me improve. I enjoy practicing English daily. I enjoy practicing English daily. I feel happy when I speak English. I feel happy when I speak English. I want to speak fluently. I want to speak fluently. I repeat sentences to remember them. I repeat sentences to remember them. I write down new words. I write down new words. I listen to English podcasts. I listen to English podcasts. I watch English lessons online. I watch English lessons online. I enjoy reading English books. I enjoy reading English books. I speak English slowly at first. I speak English slowly at first. I try to understand new grammar. I try to understand new grammar. I enjoy learning English expressions. I enjoy learning English expressions. I ask questions when I don't understand. I ask questions when I don't understand. I try to speak every day. I try to speak every day. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I enjoy helping my friends learn English. I enjoy helping my friends learn English. I practice English with my family. I practice English with my family. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. I want to travel and speak English. I want to travel and speak English. English helps me in my job. English helps me in my job. I enjoy learning new sentences. I enjoy learning new sentences. I practice speaking out loud. I practice speaking out loud. I am proud of my English progress. I am proud of my English progress. I will keep practicing every day.